Hello everyone. Today I would like to present our project. It's about how to control the motor DC using Rotary encoder and also Arduino. So the first component that I would like to explain is about the Rotary encoder and also the motor driver itself. So I'm using the incremental rotary encoder, and it will be connected to the motor DC. And after that, this is the motor driver. I'm using the L298N motor driver. I'm only using one of the part, so it will control this motor DC motor, and also of course the Arduino Uno. And in here I'm using also the 12-volt battery. And for the schematic, you can see that the battery of course will be connected as the power source for the motor driver and also the Arduino Uno. And some of the pin will be connected to the Arduino Uno, the PWM, and then the input 1, input 2 from the DC motor connected also to the Arduino Uno, and the encoder VCC and also ground connected to the Arduino Uno. So let's try the demonstration. So I will be connecting my Arduino Uno to my computer, and then I also connected the power source to the 12-volt battery. So after it's connected, we will try to see the serial monitor. So if we rotate the rotary encoder, it will move the motor based on the value. So if it's negative, it will rotate clockwise, and if it is positive value, it will rotate the motor counterclockwise. So actually it's a very basic and very simple project. So, and the next one I will try to explain my code. Let me turn it off first. So this is the code. This one is, we are using the interrupt command. So this one is for the reading. I'm using the pin 2 and also 3 to get the value from the A and B rotary encoder. And then I also add some code to move the motor DC go to the left or to the right. So I'm using the pin 4 and also 9 to set the high and low value. So it will be rotating to the left if the counter is greater than 0, and if it is less than 0, it will rotating to the right. And also I'm using this one, changing the value that detected by the rotary encoder. So if it is more than 255, it will be changed into 255, because the maximum value for the driver is only 255. So I think that's all for my presentation of our project. Thank you for watching.